Welcome, dear friends. I invite you to settle in and allow the wisdom of a lifetime to guide your steps towards better health. If you find our journey enlightening, please subscribe and like so that we can continue to share these precious insights with you. Today, we address a topic that resonates deeply: the importance of keeping our veins clean and vibrant as we age. The paths of life often lead us to appreciate the subtleties of health, especially our vascular well-being. As we grow older, maintaining smooth and unobstructed blood flow becomes paramount, for it is the silent river through which life's nourishment travels. Our veins, like the threads in a timeless tapestry, deserve as much care and respect as any cherished relationship. This introduction invites you to explore the profound link between what we eat and the strength of our inner highways. Through a carefully selected array of nutrient-dense foods, you can nurture these vital conduits, minimizing the risks of hardening or blockages that can slow the pace of a life well lived. The advice I share comes from a blend of modern research and lived experience, a testament to the wisdom of years and the science that honors our journey. By embracing this knowledge, you enrich not only your body, but also the spirit that carries you forward. Food number 1, garlic. This humble bulb, known for its warm, gentle flavor and robust aroma, has served as nature's remedy across the ages. When you incorporate garlic into your meals, you're inviting a natural ally that helps clear and support the flow of blood through your veins. Its active compound, allicin, acts like a gentle stream, encouraging your blood vessels to dilate and ease the pressure built over time. Science shows that by improving nitric oxide production, garlic works quietly to keep your vessels supple and welcoming to the life-sustaining current of blood. There's more to garlic than its delightful punch of flavor. With its rich bouquet of antioxidants, it also eases inflammation, a common visitor as our journey through life progresses. This means that, over time, garlic can help lower the risks associated with hardened arteries and plaque buildup, keeping your heart and veins in harmony. As Benjamin Franklin once mused, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and garlic stands proudly in that tradition. The beauty of garlic lies in its simplicity. Whether it's gently tossed into a warm, savory stew or roasted to perfection alongside fresh vegetables, its integration into your diet can be both effortless and profoundly beneficial. When you choose garlic, you're not only elevating your meals, but also nurturing a subtle, lasting vibrancy within, allowing every heartbeat to flow more freely. Now let us turn our attention to leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and watercress, nature's evergreen bounty that nourishes both your body and spirit. Their natural bounty is filled with powerful nitrates, which your body gently transforms into nitric oxide. This molecule, as essential as the morning sun, relaxes and opens your blood vessels, easing the flow of life's vital current. Leafy greens provide an abundance of vitamins like C and K, and antioxidants that work together to fortify the delicate structures of your veins. Each bite is not merely nourishment, but a proactive step toward reducing inflammation, which, as the years pass, can gently weigh down your vessels. It is a subtle yet profound reminder that what sustains you is as important as the actions you take daily to care for yourself. The virtues of these greens are evident in their ease of use. Tossed in crisp salads, blended into a refreshing smoothie, or lightly steamed to preserve their vibrant essence, they offer a versatile source of health for every meal. This simplicity carries the weight of sophisticated science. Antioxidants in leafy greens help safeguard the elasticity of your veins, ensuring that each beat of your heart is met with a smooth, unimpeded flow. Food number 3, nuts and seeds. Within these tiny kernels lies a trove of vitality: omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based fibers, magnesium, and polyphenols. Let's begin with omega-3 ALA, a type of fatty acid found in walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. These fats don't simply sit idly in your bloodstream. They actively reduce harmful cholesterol, especially the kind known as LDL, while encouraging the production of HDL, the form that cleanses your arteries like a gentle river washing over smooth stones. When inflammation simmers beneath the surface, threatening to stiffen and scar the vessels that carry your lifeblood, omega-3s step in to calm those internal fires. Magnesium, often overshadowed in everyday nutrition talk, is another quiet hero in this story. It helps blood vessels relax, improves circulation, and reduces tension in the cardiovascular system. The presence of dietary fiber in nuts and seeds further supports heart health by sweeping away excess cholesterol through the digestive tract, preventing it from building up in your arteries. The beauty of nuts and seeds isn't just in what they do, but also in how effortlessly they fit into daily life. No fancy recipe books are required. A handful of almonds with your afternoon tea, a sprinkle of flaxseed over your morning oatmeal, or chia seeds blended into your smoothie can quietly work wonders over time. You're not just feeding your hunger, you're feeding the arteries that carry your energy, your thoughts, your laughter. And the science supports this truth. Longitudinal studies have shown that consistent nut and seed consumption is associated with improved arterial flexibility and lower risk of heart disease. Think of your veins as ancient forest trails. Over time, without care, they harden and narrow. But introduce these powerful foods and you soften the soil, clear the path, and allow for smooth, steady passage. When we think of aging, it is tempting to focus only on what is lost, but there's also much to gain, especially wisdom in choosing the right sources of nourishment. In these small seeds and hardy nuts, we find a lifelong companion to help carry us forward with strength and steadiness. Food number 4, fatty fish, nature's gift for soothing and strengthening your blood vessels. When you welcome fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines into your meals, you invite these essential fats to work their calming magic within your body. They gently enhance the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes your blood vessels and smooths the channels through which life flows. These omega-3s not only ease inflammation, but also serve to regulate blood pressure and minimize the buildup of artery-blocking plaque. Think of them as the steadfast caretakers of your vascular pathways, reducing the chance of clots that might slow your step on life's journey. When each bite of fatty fish nourishes your cells, it reaffirms the value of spending time with food that brings both pleasure and profound health benefits. The beauty of this food lies in its versatility. Baked, grilled, or even incorporated in a refreshing salad, fatty fish offers not just heart-healthy benefits, but also delightful flavors that can transform a simple meal into a nourishing ritual. With every serving, you support the delicate balance of your cardiovascular system, ensuring that your inner passageways remain open and robust. Embracing fatty fish is more than a dietary choice. It's an affirmation of taking care of yourself through small, deliberate actions that yield rich rewards over time. Studies consistently affirm that regular consumption of fatty fish is linked to improved vascular function and lower risks of cardiovascular issues. Food number 5, berries. Picture the radiant burst of color that berries bring to your plate, a feast for both your eyes and your body. Berries are nature's tender jewels, laden with antioxidants and vibrant compounds that energize your veins from within. Their anthocyanins act like a protective cloak around your delicate blood vessels, guarding against the wear and tear of time and the stress of oxidative forces. These little delights not only offer a refreshing sweetness, but also function to balance inflammation naturally. When you indulge in a handful of berries, be it strawberries, blueberries, or blackberries, you infuse your system with a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, and essential micronutrients. The cumulative effect is a reassuring support system for your vascular network, diminishing stiffness and promoting a fluid, natural blood flow. It's as if each berry whispers a secret message to your cells. Keep the channels clear, keep the pulse lively. Nutritional science has often underscored the vital role of antioxidants in sustaining graceful aging. Berries, with their inherent properties, not only help lower the risk of cardiovascular concerns, but also energize the everyday moments of life, allowing you to continue cherishing each day with renewed vigor and vitality. In practical terms, adding a colorful burst of berries to your morning cereal or blending them into a cool, refreshing smoothie can be a simple yet powerful gesture towards a more resilient heart. As you savor these nourishing gems, remember that each bite is a step toward a smoother, healthier circulatory rhythm. Food number 6, beets. When you introduce beets into your diet, you're drawing on a natural force renowned for its rich content of dietary nitrates. These nitrates are quietly converted by your body into nitric oxide, the same gentle messenger that dilates your blood vessels and nurtures a smoother flow of blood through your veins. As you savor a serving of beets, whether roasted to enhance their natural sweetness, blended into a refreshing smoothie, or even enjoyed as a crisp salad component, you're taking a meaningful step toward reducing blood pressure. This natural vasodilation not only eases the burden on your heart, but also safeguards your arteries against the slow, inevitable passage of time. Studies have illuminated that even modest beet consumption can lead to significant improvements in vascular health, thereby easing the daily strain on your circulatory system. Beets are also brimming with antioxidants and essential vitamins that further reduce inflammation, a common adversary of aging arteries. Their natural compounds help neutralize free radicals, much like a quiet guardian who stands vigil over your delicate vessel walls, ensuring they remain supple and resilient. In this way, beets serve not merely as a food, but as an investment in your lifelong vascular vitality. The practical beauty of incorporating beets lies in their versatility. They require minimal preparation and can be elegantly woven into a wide array of dishes, seamlessly melding with the flavors of your favorite recipes. Whether you choose to enjoy them freshly pressed into juice or incorporated in a hearty dish, beets provide a straightforward, effective method to boost your vascular health and sustain the fluid journey of life. Next, we move to food number 7, whole grains. Whole grains such as oatmeal, brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread are rich in soluble fiber that acts like a diligent caretaker in your digestive system, binding with excess cholesterol and escorting it safely away from your arteries. This natural cleansing mechanism plays a vital role in keeping your vessels clear, preventing the buildup of stubborn plaque that can slow the vital flow of your blood. When you choose whole grains, you are not merely savoring a nourishing food, you are embracing a lifestyle steeped in prudence and foresight. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants inherent in whole grains serve as gentle protectors of your vascular system. They work to temper inflammation and promote a balanced blood viscosity, ensuring that your heart and veins receive the steady, reassuring flow needed to support each day's adventures. Just as a well-tended garden thrives with the right soil, your body flourishes when these grains are a regular part of your diet. Scientific studies consistently highlight the benefits of whole grain consumption, linking it with lower risks of cardiovascular issues. The process is simple yet profound. Every spoonful of oatmeal or every slice of whole grain bread fuels your body with the kind of slow-releasing energy that nurtures not just the spirit, but the very corridors through which life flows. Whole grains offer versatility and ease, integrating seamlessly into any meal plan. Enjoy them in a warm bowl on a crisp morning, or as a wholesome base for a colorful dinner salad. Each serving is a quiet pledge to long-lasting strength and graceful aging. As we weave together the threads of our discussion, let us step back and consider the tapestry of nourishment that these 7 foods create. The integration of garlic, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, berries, beets, and whole grains forms a holistic approach to vascular wellness. Each food contributes uniquely. Garlic gently opens your vessels, leafy greens fortify with antioxidants, nuts and seeds calm inflammation, fatty fish smooth the pulse with omega-3s, berries guard against oxidative stress, beets ease blood pressure, and whole grains cleanse your system by managing cholesterol. There is profound wisdom in embracing this balanced, nutrient-dense approach. It's not merely about the act of eating. It's about nurturing your very foundation, your circulatory system, with foods that speak of ancient traditions and modern science alike. Each bite is a promise of care, a reaffirmation that even in later years, every choice you make has the power to elevate your vitality and well-being. Imagine these dietary habits as daily rituals akin to morning meditations where simple mindful practices ripple out into a lifetime of improved health. Consider how practical lifestyle adaptations, such as incorporating a regular walk or a moment of calm reflection, can further enhance these nutritional benefits. When your diet and daily routine harmonize, they create an environment where your veins become resilient highways, capable of carrying not just blood, but the essence of life itself. This approach is supported by studies and echoed in the wisdom of those who understand that the secret to graceful aging lies not in resisting time, but in nurturing the body with reverence and care. May this gentle, well-curated path of nourishment inspire you each day, reinforcing the belief that with every new choice, you are crafting a legacy of health and vitality for the years to come. Thank you for sharing this journey with me.